Find features that distinguish it from other brands for viyawise portable car jump starter with air compressor, because it consists of the following features. Powerful emergency jump starter. This battery jumper starter portable device delivers a massive 3500 amp peak current, capable of jump-starting all gas engines and up to 8.0L diesel engines multiple times on a single charge. It's the ideal car battery jump starter for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, and more, ensuring you're never stranded. Versatile air compressor. With a 150 psi air compressor, this portable car jump starter inflates everything from car tires to bike tires, motorcycles, and sports balls. It includes 3 different nozzle attachments, making it a must-have car jumper starter portable tool for any vehicle emergency. High-capacity power bank. Equipped with a 21,800 mAh battery, this car jump starter also functions as a portable jump starter for car devices. It features dual USB ports for fast charging, allowing you to power multiple devices simultaneously, from smartphones to tablets. Multifunctional LED light. This jump starter comes with a built-in LED light featuring 3 modes: steady, flashing, and SOS. Whether you're working in the dark or signaling for help in an emergency, this portable car jump starter has you covered with reliable lighting. Advanced safety protection. Designed with multiple safety protections, this car jumper starter portable includes safeguards against overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, and more. It operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the most dependable portable jump starter for car. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.